Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel tonight and checking out another one of my Breckwell final test videos. Today I'm going to revisit Dave's Pellet Stove Controller from his Breckwell stove. This is a controller that Dave sent to me a few weeks ago. I noted at the time that it had a significant amount of electrical damage to the circuit board, and I made my best effort to repair that. I returned it to him, and Dave informed me that it worked for a while, but then it had some electrical malfunction and it stopped working. So he returned it to me. So today I received it, I checked out the damage, saw what was going on, and I repaired it once again. I actually replaced the main connector on it. So here we are, we have it connected to my tester. And I have all the repairs completed, so I'm ready to do a final test on it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do, it's connected to my tester, so two of the three lights will come on. The combustion fan and the convection fan should come on. The auger will come on later when we do more testing. So let me go ahead and turn that on. So with the controller on, we see the combustion fan came on, and so did the convection fan. I will say that I'm in manual mode now because the green light at the top is not on. So in manual mode, there's a few things we can check. We'll first check the auger manual button, which is the momentary switch called manual feed. So when I press on that, you see the auger indicator in yellow comes on, so that's correct. The next thing I'll do is the fan position switch, the high fan. When I do that, the red light, the red indicated light, will go to high intensity, which indicates that the controller is sending voltage to the fan and running it at maximum. So there we have it. You can see the intensity of the light bulb change. That would cause the fan to run louder or run stronger. The other thing I can do is check the low BCD switch positions, which will at this point impact the speed of the fan. So as I rotate that, you see the intensity of the light changes. Low, B, C, D, E, and max. So I will say that D, E, and max on this type of controller are wired together. They're hardwired together in the control board, so the intensity of the light will not change. So you notice D, E, they just do not change. But I go to C, they'll decrease, B, and low. So all that in manual mode is functional again. So I'll go to automatic mode now by pressing on the auger button, and when I do that, we'll see the green light at the top here come on, just like that. So now we're in automatic mode and a timer has started. It's approximately 30 seconds long, and that timer dictates when the auger will come on. Notice that the high fan stuff still works and the auger can still be pushed on, but we're waiting for the timer to happen because we're in automatic mode. When we do that, we'll see the LED behind the faceplate come on. There it is. And the auger came on for a short period of time. So that's what happens in low. We have a long duration between auger drive events, and the auger drive is for a short duration of time. So we'll do that one more cycle just so we notice how quickly it came on and off. And then I'll go to the max position. That causes the convection fan to run to max. And when the timer restarts, we'll see that it's on for a longer period of time, and it'll be off for a shorter period of time. That means that it'll drive pellets into the fire pit more often and for a longer period of time. So it'll drop more pellets in, causing the fire to roar more and generate more heat. So there we have it, everyone. This controller is now once again fully functional. On this time I wound up replacing the power connector on the circuit board, and I rerouted some of the AC power delivery lines that were damaged due to the previous electrical incidents. So Dave, I'm sorry that we had problems with it after the first repair. I have a much higher level of confidence with this one now that everything has been corrected. There must have been a significant spark in your stove when you connected it back in, but I believe now that has been completely corrected and we should be good to go. Except for the area around the power connector, the circuit board looks to be in very good condition, and it does have a fuse on it, so that's all fine. And it seems to be running quite well on my tester. So Dave, thanks again for sending that back to me for repairs. And every one of you watching, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell or a different brand, feel free to contact me if you have issues with it or you have questions. If you have a controller like this one and you're having auger drive problems or fan drive problems, feel free to contact me. I'd be glad to discuss this with you. And if necessary, you could send your controller to me and I'll do some repair work on it. So everyone, thanks for watching. I do hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks. Bye-bye.